This water's so clean I could probably drink it straight, but you know I got a filter, so why risk it? Gravity pulls the water through the filter, fills up my jug. When the filter's new, it does about 1 liter a minute. It's pretty quick. Once you're done, you gotta go ahead and drain the whole thing. If it turns to ice inside your filter, then the filter won't work. Woo! Now it's chilly. It's already 3:15 and it's starting to get dark. Yeah. Oh, the pulk's trying to pull me down in the river. I think I need to find a place to camp. And over there looks as good as any other place.